two or three things that really stood out to me were how Conestoga offered fast track programs, which was very important for me, that I was able to complete a 2-year program in 16 months. And secondly, something that I was really looking for was gaining practical skills because I was already, I completed my undergraduate. I was not looking for, something that would give me just theoretical knowledge, but rather, equip me for the Canadian job market. And that was exactly what I got at Conestoga. All my programs were, 70% practical. We did a lot of project work and, connected with a lot of people here in Canada. And I think that was something that I was looking for. And I'm really grateful to the support services at Conestoga because of that. Even before I joined Conestoga, a lot of my friends told me about it, that how international students are provided all the support even after they graduate. And now when I have graduated, I can really feel that because sometimes when I'm applying for jobs and I need some support from the college, I can always go back to career advisors. They help me with mock interviews. They help me review my resume.
If you want to be a successful employer here in Canada, Conestoga will open these doors for you. I did broadcasting and independent production. So during the program, we could actually learn how to open our own business if we wish. So if you want to work with social media or any other business related to video, you could learn how to open your business and be successful.
Well, while I was doing my research about the different colleges and universities in Canada, especially in the Ontario area, I came upon a employer satisfaction rate, and what interests me the most is that Conestoga has one of the highest employer satisfaction rate in the Ontario region. So for me, it made me feel that since they have a really high employer satisfaction rate, it means that they are producing really good graduates. And in order for a school to produce really good graduates, they have to have really good faculty and administration. And that's why I chose Conestoga College, because I also wanted to be a good employee and employer in the future.
I love like creating stuff and making designs in general. And the program is project based, and we have projects with individual projects and group projects all the time. So I feel like that really helped me to find a job afterward.